Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th. Time is 9:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so let's see what is going on here. I am actually long 10 contracts, 58.50. Just triggered that. Where we at? Right here. And stop is sitting at 40. Look to pull half off at 60. We're in the oversold area. But here's the thing. We've been in down pressure. Then we ran into this channel right here. Typically, how oil works is if you channel from the direction, it's going to continue to go down. So I think this is the breakdown, but we got a reversal sequence that popped up here. Decent volume, actually really decent volume in this. Now counting back 9 to 19, 59. Oh, hang on one second, guys. I didn't submit this. 60, sell, 5. Okay, I'll take it though. All right, half off at 63 for 13 ticks. I'm going to move my stop to break even at this moment. 5. Boy. Okay. And let me set a pill point for 70. Okay. Long 5 contracts, 58.50. Got half off at 63 for 13 ticks. Pill point at 70. Stop sitting at break even right now. Okay, so typically what happens is you'll channel, then you'll start continuing in that same direction for a short time, and that's kind of what happened here. I wasn't expecting a reversal sequence this soon, but I'll take it. I hear off of the 7 deviation line, and this big gray area is where bulls stepped in at one point. So there's a big wick back left somewhere. And so we're just going to try to take advantage of some opportunity here. Hopefully this is a full-on reversal sequence that we can get on back up, push on back up in this area here where there's a lot of volume. Might get hung up here, and actually might get hung up anywhere, so you never know. All right, so here's the sequence. Count back 9 to 19, 59, 49, 39. 39 is the threshold. Lines up nicely. I think that's 9 actually right there on the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9. The initial part sits right on the 7 deviation line there. So some absorption in here a bit. Not really strong absorption, but enough to get 10 ticks off. So scalp to position trading, that's how we work that. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video and watch, and I'll be back in just a bit. Alright, stopped out here. So now, let me see if I want to get back into this one. Not sure yet. So I'm going to watch for just a bit, and I'll let you know if I pull the trigger long again. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Okay guys, hop long 58.44. Right here got down. This is actually the threshold here at 39, and abrupt turn. So I was actually setting my trigger to get long at that point. So we'll see if we can get half off here. Bears is still holding steady at the moment. So my stop is going to be at 38. 48, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 44. 6 tick stop. And if that gets touched, then this cluster is actually invalid at that point. So 10 stop. And submit. All right. See if we can get half off here. Okay. 50. All right. That just came off at 54. Half off 58.54 for 10 ticks. Stop 44. Ooh, boy. I'm going to move my stop up to 42. And that's going to be for a 2-tick stop at this point. I'll set a pill point for 64. And we'll see if the bears are getting tired yet, which don't look like it. 64. Whoops, just one, not 5 minutes. All right. Long 5 contracts, 58.44, stop sitting at 42 for 2 ticks. Next pill point, 64 for 20 ticks. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, with no immediate bounce, look like we want to channel again, and that typically means bears still want to take it down some more. So actually, I'm going to pull 3 off at 64 if we can get up there, and might actually just look at closing this trade out altogether. So let's just see what happens. But I adjusted from 1 to 3 to come off at 64. Let's see if we can push on up there. All right, I'll be back. Okay, 3 came off at 58.64 for 20 ticks. Leaves me 2 contracts long, 58.44. I moved my stop to break even at this point. And now I'll need to make a decision if I want to stay in this trade or take it short. This bar is going to be closing in a minute. That's actually a nice wick on there, so I may just hang on to this and we'll just let this play out. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, sold 1 at 94 for 50 ticks. That leaves me 1 contract long. And at this point, I'm just going to set a 100 tick take profit and see where we go from there. All right, I'll be back in a bit. All right, last contract was stopped out at 55 for plus 10, and that's going to be a wrap for me. So you guys have a good one, and not sure if I'm going to be around tomorrow or not, but we'll see. All right, have a good one.